Hey Merlan, what are we doing today?
Surface normally.
Yeah, but what have we had to do instead?
Guttering, yahoo!
So, maybe 3 months ago, I had a choice to make because I've never used these brackets before, and I was like, okay, we'll put them there. I'm sure that's going to be okay. Turns out they are too low. If you take a look at the slots that you can see in there, what's supposed to happen is you're supposed to just basically put like your hook or your gutter bracket in English up onto that slot, put a bolt through and a nut and do them up, and you kind of move them up and down that slot in order to create your full. But they are, as you can see, too low down. So what we need to do is put a piece of 15mm OSB up against there, mark the first one, second one we mark with a 1mm packer, 2mm, 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, so we basically create a full while we're going down through. And now we are trying to see if what we have done works. So it's all a big experiment. Merlan thinks it's definitely going to work. So there we go. I'm going to take you inside because a package has arrived today, and it's an MOHS hardness kit, which is very important for what we are going to do with the floor. So in that crate there is the grinding machine itself, and I've got all the diamond pads in the truck, so they've all arrived over the last week or so. So yes, so the most important thing is to test the concrete. Now, I should have tested this concrete before I ordered the diamond pads. So the rule of thumb is that if you have hard concrete, you need soft diamond pads. If you have soft concrete, you have hard diamond pads. I didn't know any better, so I ordered in the middle. So hopefully the middle ones are the right ones. If they're not, it won't be too disastrous because you'll still be able to use them. It just means you'll use a few more of them. So if I'm in the middle, I'm kind of like hedge my bets a little bit. So we're all going to have a look at the same time and figure out exactly how well I've done or not. We have concrete here. So on this hardness scale, it's going to be between a 5 and a 7. So I guess what we're hoping for is a 6, which would mean our diamonds would be in the middle. We have a 5, or 4 and a 5, and a 6 and a 7. So you're supposed to use it like a pen, and you're supposed to basically use the same amount of pressure as you would with a pen. So if it leaves a scratch, which I would say that it has, that means it's softer than that. So let's go to a 4. That leaves a scratch. Okay, alright, well, let's go down to a 3. Well, they're all leaving scratches, so I'm a bit confused. So we basically went down to a 3, and it still kind of scratched the surface. Right, just going to go and get the galvanised spray.
So it's not great. Push system on that.
No, stop.
Yes.
No.
Okay, so
Angle grinder, so we've got to cover 2 lots of glass. Ladies and gentlemen, perfection at work.
No, not perfection. I do my best. Finish?
What's trying you on? Read between the lines.
Yes.
Yeah?
I can't see.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Read between the lines.
Do you read?
Lucky boys.
No,
Really
no.
lucky. What?
Look at the end.
I know, but that's not a problem. This is nothing. Because I've been doing it a slightly different way from you, and I've just basically been taking the packer. Does it fit? Does it not? And then
Yes, when you mark.
just do that, and I'm literally just marking that.
Yeah.
I'm putting 2 on there, and then it's a 2.
But no, always we find is we fit it here or here, the outlet.
On the end, same.
Okay.
Same. Yeah. Is the little jig
Yes.
problem. But we've also done stuff to ready ourselves for PR as well. Okay, right, so any rain, if it ever does get through the curved roof sheets, it'll hit this rain screen and then it'll come and discharge into the gutter here. Hopefully, no water is going to get through. I don't think it will. Yeah, really good day. Really, really happy with this. You spend months looking at something and then suddenly you put something on it or around it and suddenly everything's transformed, and having this gutter on here just finishes the roof off. Like, subscribe, and hype. See you all next time. Bye bye.